So I wanted to share this in case anybody wants to try this recipe. It was delicious. I'm sorry I don't have my finished product because I ate it and then decided to share it. But this is what it is: chicken, meatball, and hummus tabouleh, I think is how you say it, bowls. Although I didn't get the tabouleh, which is, tabouleh is this stuff right here, if you can see it, that salad-y looking ingredient there, the little beads. But they didn't have that at Publix, so I got the quinoa salad instead, this, which is very similar. But this is the finished product, and you just put it all in a bowl and eat it. I just kind of turned it into like a salad, mixed it together. So delicious and flavorful. So I wanted to share it in case anybody else wanted to try it. So you just get like mixed super greens, and then you get some feta cheese, you get some tomatoes, these crunchy chickpeas, the quinoa salad or tabouleh salad. This is Panera Mediterranean lemon vinaigrette dressing. These are, it's a ground chicken and it's Thai flavored and it's in the meat section. So it's already all seasoned and everything. All I had to do was mix it with some breadcrumbs and turn it into meatballs and bake it. And then hummus, and you chop up seedless cucumber, which are those long skinny cucumbers. And then you chop up the tomatoes. And you just, once you bake those, you just put the salad greens in the bottom of your bowl and then put this all around it, just like in this recipe here. And then you just kind of like mix it together and eat it. And you put the vinaigrette over the top. Mix it all together and eat it. It's so delicious. I highly recommend trying it if you're looking for healthy food choices. And so now I can just, put this in containers and save it, and I can eat this like for lunch throughout the week. I don't think Stefan and the kids will eat it. Stefan might try it, but I don't know. But if not, that's fine. More for me. I just had to share. It was so good. So Stefan and Stephanie decided they wanted to try it too, so I had to make it for them, and this is how it looks. So now you can see the finished product. Let's see what they think. Is it good?
Yeah.
So what did you think of it? I like your hair, by the way. Yay! Would you stop making me laugh?